there! Welcome back to Cool Product, where today we're counting down the top 5 best cordless soldering iron options for fast heating, portability, and precision work. Whether you're into DIY electronics or professional repairs, these tools bring power without the cord. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Realmote Cordless Soldering Iron. The Realmote Cordless Soldering Iron is a compact and highly portable tool designed for efficient and flexible soldering work, making it suitable for both professionals and DIY users. Built with modern convenience in mind, it features a wireless design powered by an 18650 lithium battery, allowing users to work freely without being restricted by cables. One of its standout features is the 3-speed temperature adjustment system. It offers low, medium, and high temperature ranges, enabling users to select the appropriate heat level based on different soldering requirements. This makes it adaptable for delicate electronics as well as more demanding soldering tasks. Performance is another strong point of this device. The soldering iron delivers an impressive 3-second rapid heating capability, significantly reducing waiting time. It also supports 6-second fast tinning, ensuring smooth and efficient solder flow for cleaner and more precise results. The integrated heating element enhances stability, providing consistent heat distribution while improving durability and extending the tool's lifespan. Charging and power flexibility are also key advantages. The Realmote soldering iron comes with a Type-C charging interface, making it convenient and widely compatible with modern charging devices. It supports multiple charging methods, including power banks, wall adapters, and even computers, ensuring users can recharge it almost anywhere. Additionally, it supports simultaneous charging and usage, allowing continuous work without interruption. Designed for portability, this soldering iron features a slim pen-style body measuring approximately 155 mm by 18 mm. Its lightweight and compact structure makes it easy to carry in a toolkit, pocket, or bag, making it ideal for fieldwork and on-the-go repairs. Overall, the Realmote Cordless Soldering Iron combines speed, convenience, and portability in one efficient device, offering a practical solution for users who need reliable soldering performance in a compact wireless form. Next up, at number 4, we have the Timotras Cordless Soldering Iron. The Timotras Cordless Soldering Iron is a modern, portable, and highly adaptable soldering solution designed for precision work and convenience. Built with advanced smart control features, it brings together portability, fast heating performance, and customizable settings in one compact device, making it suitable for both hobbyists and professional users. At its core, the device features a Type-C interface that supports multiple power input options, including PD/QC fast charging adapters and power banks. This ensures flexible usage in workshops, field repairs, or mobile environments where traditional power sources may not be available. It operates within a wide voltage range of 9 volt to 20 volt and allows adjustable power output from 18 watt to 100 watt by selecting voltage and current settings according to task requirements. The soldering iron is equipped with an OLED display that provides clear and intuitive real-time working status, allowing users to monitor temperature and operational conditions with ease. Its intelligent temperature control system delivers rapid heating within 2-5 seconds, ensuring fast tinning, stable heat maintenance, and quick temperature recovery for uninterrupted workflow. A built-in sleep mode further enhances efficiency by reducing unnecessary heat when idle. Customization is a key highlight of this tool. Users can adjust multiple parameters such as sleep temperature, standby time, and working voltage through a multifunction menu. It also supports both Chinese and English language interfaces, along with Celsius and Fahrenheit unit conversion, making it user-friendly across different preferences and regions. Designed with smart functionality and portability in mind, the Timotras Cordless Soldering Iron offers a balance of performance and control. Its compact structure, combined with intelligent features, makes it a practical tool for electronics repair, DIY projects, and precision soldering tasks where reliability and adaptability are essential. Taking the third spot is the Qhtitec Cordless Soldering Iron. The Qhtitec cordless soldering iron is a modern, portable tool designed to deliver precision, convenience, and safety for both beginners and professionals. Built for efficiency in various repair and electronics tasks, it combines smart temperature control with a highly portable design, making it suitable for on-the-go and workspace use. One of its standout features is the built-in LED work light, which significantly improves visibility in dim or tightly confined working environments. This ensures greater accuracy when handling delicate soldering tasks, even in low-light conditions. The device also features an intelligent high-resolution LED display that clearly shows real-time temperature status, giving users full control and awareness during operation. Engineered for precision, the soldering iron offers exceptional temperature stability of 7171%, allowing consistent heat output for reliable soldering results. Whether working on small circuit boards or detailed electronic repairs, this stability helps maintain quality and reduces the risk of overheating components. Power is supplied by a durable 1000 mAh rechargeable battery, providing extended usage time for continuous work sessions. The modern Type-C interface ensures fast and convenient charging, making it easy to power up the device using widely available chargers and cables. Designed with user comfort and safety in mind, the cordless soldering iron features a compact and lightweight structure that enhances portability. Its smart auto shut-off function activates after 10 minutes of inactivity, helping conserve battery life and improving operational safety. Additionally, a heat-insulating outer layer protects users from accidental burns during use. Operation is simple and user-friendly. Just a long press of 3 seconds turns the device on or off. This intuitive control system makes it accessible even for those new to soldering tools. Overall, the Qhtitec cordless soldering iron offers a balanced combination of precision, portability, and intelligent safety features, making it a practical solution for electronics repair, DIY projects, and professional soldering tasks. Coming in at number 2 is the JCD cordless soldering iron. The JCD cordless soldering iron is a compact and highly portable tool designed for convenience, precision, and flexibility in a wide range of soldering tasks. Built for both beginners and experienced users, it is especially suitable for on-the-go repairs, DIY electronics projects, and small maintenance work where mobility matters. One of its standout features is its wireless design, which eliminates the restriction of cables and allows users to work freely in any environment. The device is powered by a built-in 1100 mAh polymer battery, offering reliable cordless operation. It also supports use while charging through a Type-C interface, ensuring uninterrupted workflow when needed. With a power output of 5-volt 15-watt, the soldering iron delivers efficient and safe performance, making it ideal for delicate electronic components as well as light-duty repair tasks. Its quick heating integrated core ensures fast startup time, allowing users to begin work almost instantly while maintaining consistent performance throughout usage. To enhance versatility, the device features a 3-level temperature control system, high, medium, and low, enabling precise heat adjustment based on different soldering requirements. Whether working on sensitive circuit boards or slightly heavier connections, users can easily select the appropriate setting for optimal results. The design emphasizes practicality and durability. Its lightweight and compact structure makes it easy to carry and handle, while the replaceable soldering tip adds long-term usability by allowing quick replacement or customization depending on the task. This feature ensures that the tool can adapt to different project needs without requiring a full replacement. Overall, the JCD cordless soldering iron combines portability, efficient heating, adjustable temperature control, and user-friendly design into a single compact device, making it a practical choice for modern soldering needs. And finally, our top pick, the Finirsi HS03 cordless soldering iron. The Finirsi HS03 cordless soldering iron is designed for makers, technicians, and hobbyists who need reliable performance in a compact, modern soldering tool. Built with portability and continuous workflow in mind, it introduces a flexible power system that allows zero downtime operation. Users can either swap the battery or connect via USB-C power, ensuring uninterrupted soldering in any environment. At the core of its performance is intelligent temperature control. With instant switching capabilities and 5 adjustable torque levels, the device delivers smooth and responsive heat management for different soldering tasks. This makes it suitable for everything from delicate electronic repairs to more demanding assembly work, maintaining consistency and precision throughout. A smart digital display provides real-time heat readings, giving users clear visibility and control over operating conditions. This enhances accuracy and reduces guesswork, allowing for more confident handling of sensitive components. The precision control system further refines the experience, offering adjustable settings in fine increments and accommodating both left and right-handed users comfortably. Designed with usability in mind, it features smooth scrolling step switching for quick adjustments during work sessions. The ergonomic interface ensures that changing settings feels natural and efficient, even during complex tasks. A safety cap design adds an extra layer of protection, making it easier to carry and store the tool safely when not in use. Overall, the Finirsi HS03 blends smart functionality with practical design. Its combination of flexible power options, precise temperature regulation, and user-friendly controls makes it a versatile soldering solution for modern electronics work, whether in a workshop, at home, or on the go. Ready to upgrade your toolkit? Check the price link in the description to find the right cordless soldering iron for your needs. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more top 5 reviews.